Here at the Library of Congress, we have hundreds of miles of stacks. Books, maps, newspapers, photographs, comic books, films, we have it all. But did you know that in addition to these physical stacks, the Library of Congress also has digital stacks? These digital stacks, which we simply call stacks, consist of restricted content, meaning that you'll need to be on site at one of the library's Capitol Hill buildings to access it. Stacks enables on-site library visitors to access digital content with certain rights restrictions, but you can still access the rest of the library's publicly available digital collections anywhere in the world. If you're on site at the Library of Congress, the types of rights-restricted digital content you can access includes ebooks, journal articles, newspapers, audio recordings, music scores, and more. Using stacks is easy. Just remember these 3 steps: search, save, stacks. To discover materials available in stacks, start by searching the library's online catalog. Content that's only available in the stacks system will say available on-site via stacks on the items page. Once you've found what you're looking for, save a copy of the items record and make your way to a stacks terminal in one of the library's many reading rooms and research centers. Stacks terminals can be found across the library's 3 buildings on Capitol Hill and are available to anyone with a library reader identification card. Here are just a few things to keep in mind when using the library's digital stacks. Materials are only available on-site at the Library of Congress. Some stacks items may be available through your local library's interlibrary loan program. You can print portions of materials from the stacks platform for a small fee. However, you cannot download or email any stacks materials. If you have a question about accessing materials in the stacks platform, Library of Congress staff are here to help. You can visit us in person in our reading rooms and research centers or online through the Ask a Librarian website. Thank you.